Hello friends, welcome to CareerPlot. In this lecture, we are going to learn about search engine marketing, also known as SEM. So you would have learned about till now about search engine optimization, which is organic results, which meant that organically or without paying any money, how can you actually appear in search results? We did all the techniques about it, and now we are going to talk about the paid marketing or the search engine marketing. So search engine marketing is a form of internet advertising, which means that it can be used for promotion of websites or for promotion of any products on the internet, on Google search engine, so that people can see it and notice it very prominently and can come to your websites. So it drives traffic towards your website. And for every click or every impression, you end up paying to the search engines. And this particular form of marketing is called search engine marketing because most of the people are making searches or are doing searches for products, for websites, for information on search engines. And when the results appear, the ad results also drive a lot of traffic towards your website. So the whole process of paid advertising on the internet on the search engines is called search engine marketing. Now, as we talk about search engine marketing, one of the first terms or very prominent terms you will hear is called PPC or CPC. PPC is known as pay per click, and CPC is also known as cost per click, which are one and the same thing. They are interchangeably used in different communications, different conversations. So don't worry about whether call it PPC or CPC, they mean the same. Now, PPC or CPC is used in the form of a business model in advertising on the internet, when you pay only when a person clicks on the link which has been provided in the ad spot. Now, typically you will see a lot of ads on the internet or on the search engine, but you don't click on every ad. Now, if a user clicks on one particular ad, advertiser pays only for that particular click. Now, there is a term called CPM, which is known as cost per milli, which counts the impressions. Impressions means that the number of views which have been published on the search engines or on the websites by the search engine networks. So that means that impressions are not paid that highly because people are not clicking. So typically the business model is that charge advertisers only when a user clicks. It enhances the interest of the advertiser that only potential customers are coming to the website. And of course, it drives a lot more usability on the search engines too, that not every ad is useful. So it does not should be charged for. So typically PPC or CPC is an internet advertising model which drives traffic to websites or products where advertiser pays the publisher or the search engine operators when the ad is clicked. Now, once we discuss PPC or CPC model, we should definitely know about how a search engine result look like. So, search engine result page is known as SERP, or you can call it Google search engine result page is equal to Google SERP, which is an acronym for search engine result page. Now, search engine result page consists of two parts. One is organic traffic, organic search results. So let's say if a user types in search query, he will be seeing organic search results or the natural search results which happen due to SEO efforts of search engine optimization efforts. The other results which he as a user you will see is the paid search results, which is driven by search engine marketing. So generally, on an average, you'll see a search engine page which will look like having a results, some paid results at the top, and then the bottom is all about organic results. On the right side, on a sidebar, you will see some paid search results again. Now we will look deep into how the search engine result page looks like. So let's say you were searching on Google saying how to advertise online. Now, first of all, whenever you will search a phrase, Google will give different results to different people. For example, it will give me different results and it will give you different results based on the history of search, based on your user profile, based on various parameters they have collected over a period of time about you and about the searches, about the region you live in, about the location you belong to, about your travels, everything else as per part of the history of search. Now, let's look at this example. So when you searched how to advertise online, you will see two parts to the browser. One is organic listing and paid listing. The top part of the search, as pointed by the red arrows, is showing the paid advertising. Now the top part is paid. The below part, the last link, how to advertise your home business online, is the organic result. So whenever an ad is shown, it is marked with the word called ad. Then when the ad is shown on the top part, there are another right sidebar which comes up sometimes, and that will also show ads. Now right sidebar keeps on changing depending on the kind of queries you are doing. Sometimes it does show ads, sometimes it will be blank, sometimes it will show maps, and there are different examples to show. We will cover some of those examples now. Now, if you look into this page example closely, you will see that there are ratings also given including the ad now. So if you notice the rating piece, Google has not only shown the ad, but also has collected the data about the company or about the business page and showed the ratings there, how good people have rated the company. It has shown the phone numbers if you have given the phone numbers. Look at the ad text very closely. Very crisp, very nicely done so that ads are effective. Even the first ad shown here on this page is not from Google AdWords, but from Amazon, because Google is believing that the most relevant ad according to the personal profile should be shown up. So for example, in this case, it is showing me as Amazon rather than Google AdWords, which is coming on the right sidebar. Now, probabilistically, the first three ads have got the most or the highest chances of getting clicked. So that's why they are most expensive ads, but they're important ads also, right? So this is the way people search online, and this is the way ads are shown online in Google search engine result page. Now let's look at the second example. In this second example, I was searching for Kate Spade shoes. So when I'm searching for Kate Spade shoes for someone, it showed me another different kind of results. First, it showed me all the kinds of shoes available as with the images at the top from different online stores. Now, these shoes are available. If you click on the link, it will actually directly take you to the product page directly there, and you can purchase the shoes on different websites. It's showing the name of the company if you focus on. For example, in the first shoe, it is showing as KateSpade.com. The second is showing as Nordstrom. Then it's 6 p.m. And then if you look at the below links, then it's showing different websites also, like Zappos. Now on the right side bar, you will not notice only the ratings, but you will also notice something called reviews being shown from different websites. For example, on the second link on the right side bar, this Amazon.webcam.com reviews are showing up. Then below there is a gift.com reviews showing up. And this is how Google is building search results and showing the results for more effective clicks. So this is how a second example looks like for any product, physical product being sold on e-commerce stores. Now this is also important to understand, because if you are into business of e-commerce and selling products online, pictures do make an impression. So show the pictures, show the reviews, and that's how you can sell it much more effectively on ads. Now let's look at the third example. Now, third example is when I was searching for, let's say, New York Hilton Midtown, which means that I'm searching for the Hilton.com hotel or Hilton Midtown Hotel. And obviously we know the place, so I'm very sure that this is the place I wanted to go to. So when I searched, still it showed me the Hilton ads, because it wanted to make sure that Hilton ads definitely appear up, as Hilton Hotel is running campaigns. Then it showed me on the right bar, you will see the change. It showed me the address, it showed me the profile of the hotel with the pictures, with the map, and with the address, phone numbers, and some descriptions. It even showed me Google reviews about the hotel. It showed me the ratings of the hotel. And more than that, now it has shown me an ad to book a room. If you notice the below side, right? So if you notice this area, I can book a room directly, and check-in and check-out date can be given. Even it's showing me the price of the hotels. Now this is also an ad because it is marked as an ad. But on the left side, you will see that New York Hilton Midtown Hotel organic results are showing up with the similar reviews. That means that ads also just are increasing the probability of me clicking on this hotel. The way it hasn't been constructed, that it gives you a picture that this is a big hotel and I should go for it. Now in the ad result, you will also see different first level links on the first result, which is saying that if I'm a AAA member, I get 5% discount. If I am a AARP member, then I get a 5% discount. There are special packages. Every first level link is also shown, which increases my probability of clicking on the link and booking my room. This will increase the conversion rate for the hotel. So this is how Google does search engine result pages. Now there are so many varieties and so many forms a Google search result page can show up, that it depends on the queries you are searching. But more or less, the ads always come on the top, on the right sidebar. Now let's discuss the traffic types. So there are two types of traffic on the internet. One is called organic and one is called paid. We have been using these words for quite some time in the lectures now. Organic means which happens naturally, which you are not paying for. When the user searches anything and the links appear or any information appears, automatically due to the nature of the content is called organic traffic. No one is paying for that content, right? No advertisement has been published. There is no sponsored post or sponsored ad happening around that. Paid search result or paid traffic is called that when the user sees an ad and clicks on it and reaches a website. So that traffic or that particular visiting the website activity is called as paid traffic. So the paid traffic is always charged by the to the advertisers, and search engines enable that job. So typically paid traffic should be less on the website. If you have more organic traffic, that means you are more popular. Naturally people are ending up on your website. Paid traffic enables quick growth to your system. So when you are new in the business and you actually do not know much about search engine optimizations, and of course there's not much content on your website, but you still want people to come to your website and visit your products, you need to invest in paid traffic a bit. So after understanding the traffic workflow, we need to understand how the ads workflow is created. So let's say if you are an advertiser and you want to launch your online ads, you need to follow a 5-step process, which is pretty straightforward. First, using the keyword planner tool or your own website instincts, you should select the keywords which you want to go into for paid advertising. Once you have shortlisted the keywords, you should be looking at creating the ad campaign. Now, ad campaign has to be created on some ad platform. For example, if you are doing search engine marketing, you should go to Google AdWords and create an ad campaign there. Once the ad campaign has been created with the right graphics, right keywords, right ad text, you should be setting the target parameters. Now, target parameters are the ones which you select because of the segmentation you have done. So if you remember the lecture about segmentation and positioning and targeting, using that you would have targeted potential customers or potential users. Now you will set those parameters in the campaign so that the search engines will reach out to those potential users in your ad campaign. Once you have done that, setting the target parameters, then you will select the landing pages. Now landing pages are the ones when the target parameters are set and the user gets to see the ad and he clicks the link which is provided in the ad. The page he lands on is the landing page. And that landing page has to be set correctly because landing page makes a lot of difference in the conversions. Whether the user is impressed or not will be depending on the configuration and the design of the landing page too. So once the landing page is done, after that you need to track conversions. So track conversion can be done very easily, that how many people actually clicked on the link versus how many people actually did an action on your website, which can be a sign up or they bought the product or anything the way you want to measure. So typically you can divide the number of conversions. So for example, if 10 people signed up and there are 100 clicks, you can divide 10 by 100, 100 by 10, and that means your 10% conversion rate is happening around. All right. Once we do the online ads workflow, more or less the search engine marketing is done for you, because this is the exact workflow which is followed by every company and every website in the world. Once you have done that part, I think your campaigns will be running and you will be just monitoring those campaigns and optimizing it much more again and again for better results using various search engine tools. So there are a lot of benefits of SEM which happens around. So as we discussed, if you are a new company or a new website or a new product, it can instantly increase your reach to potential customers and potential buyers. Potential buyers can be defined very easily in paid campaigns, because now you know that who are the people who can be interested, so you can define your target audience. Once your target audience is defined and your campaigns are running, you will get higher conversion rates, because your search results will always show at the top, and they will be matched to the customer profiles. So there is a high probability of people clicking on those links, and if landing pages are correct, there is a high conversion rate possible. And definitely it saves a lot of time to grow very quickly in the market. Definitely organic results are required. You need to work on your search engine optimizations, but paid marketing can give you a boost in the market. So in this session we learned about the introduction to search engine marketing and what is pay-per-click, and then we looked at the Google search engine page results and how they look like. We talked about the distribution of traffic, about organic traffic and paid traffic. We looked at a workflow of online ads, and that definitely we understood some benefits of search engine marketing. Thank you very much.